Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready to do my hair. I am about to put some of this. This is the African Pride Moisture Miracles Olay and Coconut Water Prepoo. So yeah, I'm about to do this. I got this. It's like a jelly. The texture, but it works miracles on your hair. My big detangler, and I have my spray bottle, and I got my YouTube right here. I'm about to watch while I do my hair. Y'all probably saw me do my hair, but I did it on Thanksgiving, but I have to take it down, and I really wanted it because my scalp needs to be moisturized. Y'all know I'm on this growth journey, so protective style. So that's what I'm doing now. So let me get y'all some clips of me taking out my hair and put this on it, and I'll be. I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they growing when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Look at her. Oh, I'm finishing my hair. I finished my hair and it's in a little ball, so I did end up putting some oil on my scalp. This is the Aquila Natural Alicate Naturals Essential 17 oil. This is the hair growth oil. So this is what I used on my scalp.
So I'm just gonna let that sit on till tomorrow till I wash my hair. Then I'm gonna re-braid it down. And do I want to do that hair again, or do I want to do a wig? We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I am on the last couple of hours. I just signed up for overtime for an extra hour, but today's over with. It's over with. So I am about to finish work. I'll probably just come back with you guys in the morning and when I actually do my hair. So alright y'all, so I'm currently getting in the car. I went ahead and had started it. Take the bag off. I know I'm looking bummy right now. It's gonna get fixed. I'm headed to Publix right quick and probably TJ Maxx to run in and try to get some socks. Cause it's needed. So I know that it is, I gotta wash my hair, so I don't want to come out with my hair cold, so it's in this bun under this. So yeah, let me go ahead and get to, I'll probably go to TJ Maxx and come to Publix on the way back. Let me get to TJ Maxx and I'll be back with you guys. So yeah. Alright, so instead of TJ Maxx, I'm probably go there tomorrow. I'm just gonna go to Ross. Like I said, the only thing I really need is my socks. So let me go in here and see what they got in here. I'll just browse around for a second and then we're going to Publix. So let's get it. So I just got the socks and I got a jacket for my friend. So it was on clearance, so I went ahead and got that for them, and I'm about to head to Publix. They got a few things of buy one get one free, so just want to get that. Then I'm headed to my house to wash my hair and get settled. So yeah, see you at Publix.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them.
Hey guys, so I'm leaving out of, you can see, Marshall's. I was looking for my mom some dresses, but they didn't really have nothing, so I don't know if we want to go to Target or if we want to go to Walmart next, but yeah, this is the last day of this particular vlog, and then I'm going to edit today or tomorrow and upload it. But yeah, they didn't have nothing at all. Nothing. When I say nothing, nothing. But I'll be back.
4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time.
So my phone died when I was putting up groceries, but anyway, groceries put up. My sister cooked. What she cooked? She cooked some meatballs, pasta salad, baked beans, some sandwiches, some finger sandwiches. She cooked something else. But I know she cooked that. So I'm just chilling, watching YouTube. I'm watching I Am Chessie Janae. This is her vlogmas I'm watching. What day is this? What day is this? I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. This is day, where is it? Oh, it is a vlog because her Thanksgiving vlog. You know, it's not even vlogmas. But that's what I'm watching. I'm sitting here chilling like a villain. Shoes over here laying down. He's been up and down all day. But he's laying down right now. So that's pretty much what's going on. I did get the stuff for the Mexican stir fry thing I make. I saw me make that before. So that may be a next vlog when I do cook it. If not tomorrow. I couldn't find a taco sauce at Walmart. They didn't have the little simmer sauce. So I probably have to go to Publix. That's why I went and got it last time and get that. But I got to get something else for it. I think that's all I really need is that. I think we got some chicken broth in there. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But anyway, I just wanted to check in, let y'all know I'm back in the house. Groceries I put up. My camera's still kind of dead. Like I gotta, it's like like a little juice in it, so I gotta charge it all the way up. But that's pretty much what's going on. So after this, I probably watch something on Netflix. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So I'll probably be back with you guys later on today. Let me finish watching this vlog and I'll be back. Okay, and why y'all didn't tell me? I caught that when I looked at the foot. I did look at the footage. My wig, it was bad. It was set back. So I'll excuse that part of the last vlog, but I fixed it. It's down now, but it was pushed back when I put the groceries up. But anywho, I'll be back to you guys in a little later. So bye. All right, y'all. So Alright, y'all, so I am about to, well, I just got the shower and everything, and I'm winding down for the night. So what I'm about to do is spray one of these Kalani sets. This is Discovery layering set. It comes with 8 small bottles inside like that. The flavors they have, well, not flavors, the scents they have are the vanilla, then they have Deja Vu White Flower, and then Utopia, I guess that's what it is, Vanilla Cocoa, Eden Juicy Apple, Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar, Eden Sparkling Lychee, Yum Pistachio Gelato, and then Lovely Set Burning Cherry. What's one I want to try? Let's do the Eden one, which is this one. They come like this of them. This is the size of which it's a good tester. This was $25 at Sephora. This is where I got it. I got it from Sephora. So I can smell it already. I like that. I like that. It's sweet. Ooh, I like it. I don't want to try them all separate. Well, we're going to layer. Let's see what I want to layer it with. But I know I love that one. Let's do this one, which is Burning Cherry. I can see it. I'm just going to spell one. I'm not going to do too much of that one, just like that. Ooh, they smell good together, actually. Yeah, that's a good combo. But yeah, that's what I'm trying. So what I'm about to do now is I am going to read a chapter in my book. Let me get it. And write in my journal too. So this is my journal. I'm gonna write in. This is the book. I'm gonna read a chapter in. The Sarah Jakes Roberts, William Evolve, Breaking Up with Yourself, Breaking Up with Your Fears, and Revitalizing Your Life. Revolutionizing your life. I'm sorry. But this is the book. So I'm about to sit on my bed and write on that. And then I'm going to find something to watch on TV till I probably knock out. But yeah, I'm about to do my face. I'm not gonna do that because y'all see me do my face a lot. But I'm going to put a good amount of this and sleep in this to help moisturize my skin. I've done this before. I got this actually from a Leah J. Yeah, Leah J. She used the blue bottle, the cream, but I couldn't find it at the time, so I got this because it's both Nivea. And she put a lot of it and just let it sit and it naturally absorbs on the skin. So I am going to do that on my face. So I guess you call it a moisturizing mask somewhat. That's what it's going to end up being. But yeah, let me do all this and then I'll be back.